How does straightening your teeth give you a better oral health and gum health? So basically, I always tell my patients this, and this is gonna explain it all. It's easier to clean your teeth at home when they're like this rather than like this. When your teeth are all smooshed up and crowded, you cannot get in between and clean them. I do sometimes struggle myself when the two teeth are so rotated toward each other. I cannot get in. I can see there is still build up there to clean, but I can't for the life of me get in there and clean it. And we use so many different tools, finally get it out. But it's so easy for your teeth to get the most build up in between each other when they are rotated, and they're basically, your teeth should be next to each other like this, right? So they're only touching 0.5 millimeter. When they're like this, they're touching 5 millimeters. There is 5 millimeters for you to clean. It's tight, you cannot get in, the dentist cannot see it properly, we might miss stuff, and eventually that tooth can get gum recession, can have a big hole in between, and we won't even see it until it's too late. So usually people come to me to align and straighten their teeth because it is for the cosmetic reasons, it's nicer, but remember that it actually is for your oral health, and the cosmetic side is just a bonus. Is dental cleaning necessary if I brush and floss regularly? Yes. Now, why is that? Because there are things you cannot see to remove at home. Simple as that. I'm a dentist, I work in a dentistry, I still get the scale and clean that. Now, to be honest with you, I don't need it as often as most other people. I don't know why. It's usually your genetics, what you eat, your diet, how straight your teeth are. So if you have good straight teeth, you have amazing genes, and your diet is in a way that it doesn't cause a lot of deposits, you get the least calculus, but you still will get them. There is not a person in the world that I would say they don't need a dental clean. They just might need it more far apart. You still need to have a check every 6 months to make sure if there is a cavity, God forbid if there is any cancer lesion, and also do you need to have a clean done or not. But if you floss at home properly, if you brush amazingly, you still will need a dental cleaning to get rid of those big chunks of calculus that you cannot see. Sometimes they're under the gum. They're called subgingival, as in sub, under, and gingival, gum. You can't see them, but the dentist or the gum specialist or the hygienist can. Can dental cleaning whiten my teeth? Now, it's hard to answer this because it depends on how much stains are on your teeth. So if you have a lot of black stains on your teeth and I do a clean for you, yes, it looks like I've done teeth whitening. But teeth whitening is so different from dental cleaning. In general, dental cleaning is to remove the germs, the bacteria, the big calculus, and the tartar between your teeth. That is basically damaging your gums, causing gum recession. It won't make your teeth whiter unless there is so much stains on your teeth, especially those black stains that can be from smoking. Then yes, it looks like it's whiter, but it hasn't done whitening. The whitening is different. Whitening is a hydrogen peroxide gel that goes on the surface of your teeth, dissolves the color on the surface, and leaves your enamel whiter than before. Whitening and cleaning are completely different procedures.